Today we will see how can we change this model lipstick color. For doing that, we have to make a selection around the lipstick. For make the selection around the lipstick, we will go to the select color range and select this color pointer, then click to the color, then click OK. Now we have make some selection in the eyes. We need to deselect them. We will click Alt and select them. Now we will change the color of the lipstick. Go to the layer plate, click to the solid color. It will open the color box. Select any color, click OK. It's not look good, right? So we have to go to the layer mode, then go to color. See, we have make our lips color change. We can check any color from here. That's it. Okay.
Hello guys, today we will see how can we make this type of effect in a image. For doing that, first you have to open the image, then go to the layer plate, select curve, little bit less light, then go to layer again, select gradient, then gradient plate will be open, click 0 and select a color from here, another color here, and in this point select opacity 0, in this point select 100, click OK. This press Ctrl J, then go to the gradient fill again and select here reverse, then go to the gradient fill again, select here another color, click OK. Then here is also OK. Select both the color and click the layer mode, select colors. Okay, we have got our final look. Thank you. Hello guys, today we will see how can we change a dress color in Photoshop. To do that, first we need to open image in Photoshop. After that, go to layer plate, select the hue saturation layer. From there, select red channel. From here, because this dress is red, so that's why we selected red channel. Then simply change the hue. See, dress color is changing. If your dress is not red, it's a blue, then we will go select the hue saturation layer. From there we will select blue channel, then simply change the hue. See, it's changing the color. Okay, that's it from today. Thank you. Today we will see how can we change this woman's eye colors. To do that, first we need to select the eyes. I will select the eyes with the lasso tool, selecting both of the eyes. Okay, now we have selected the eyes. Now go to the layer plate, select a solid color, press OK. From the layer blend mode, select multiply. Now we can change whatever color we want for the eyes. If you think the color is too much, then you can decrease the opacity. Now you can change the color whatever you want. Okay, that's it. Hello guys, today we will see how can we change this dress color into a pattern. We will apply this pattern into this dress. To do that, we have to make a selection around the t-shirt. We will do that by go to select color range. From there we will select this color and press OK. We have make a selection around our t-shirt. Now press Ctrl J. We have make a copy of our selection. Now paste our pattern here. Make it little bigger. Okay. Now we will clip it on that. Now we will make it light. See, we have make our dress a pattern. Okay, that's it.